is looking out for your kids. The federal watchdog that Minnesota schools once feared is now a skeleton of itself. Advocates fear mistreatment of young adults could now fall through the cracks. Investigative reporter Ryan Race joins us with how federal cuts are directly impacting Minnesota students.
Yeah, and Kevin, we're talking about the Office for Civil Rights within the U.S. Department of Education. That office still exists, but with nowhere near the reach it once had, and families are already feeling it.
I'm going up the slide.
At 6 years old, Judah James has endless energy that is constantly keeping his mom on her toes.
Go, Judah!
But earlier this year, Therese James felt compelled to file a federal complaint, alleging a teacher at her son's school treated him differently because he is black and has special needs.
Yeah!
I'm still waiting on the Department of Education to get back to me. Like, I emailed the one that's in Washington, like the head, and I still haven't heard anything from them.
There's a chance she never will. The Office for Civil Rights at the U.S. Department of Education, which handles these types of complaints, has been cut in half under the Trump administration's efforts to dismantle the entire department. President Trump has long pushed for the oversight of schools to rest with the states, not the federal government. The Office for Civil Rights costs taxpayers about $140 million a year, just a sliver of the $80 billion budget for the entire Department of Education.
We're going to shut it down and shut it down as quickly as possible.
It's like nothing we've ever seen before.
5 Investigates sat down with disability advocates.
Families are feeling scared right now.
The former Minneapolis school superintendent,
who's looking over and holding people accountable,
and a lawyer who started her career at the Federal Civil Rights Office in Chicago.
Personally, it's devastating.
All of them now fear situations like Judah's will go unaddressed.
Yeah!
The latest available data from 2024 shows OCR took in nearly 23,000 complaints about schools violating civil rights. Data shows in that same year, the office investigated, settled, and closed more than 15,000 around the country. Some are processed within weeks, but others take years to finalize. If you look right now at the agency's website, you'll see it hasn't been updated since January. It shows that right now in Minnesota, there are 130 open and active investigations. Anything from the mistreatment of kids with disabilities to race discrimination.
The vast majority will stay stale for years. Nobody will look at them. Nobody will process them.
Jessica Heiser now works at the nonprofit Disability Law Center. She helps frustrated families negotiate with schools, but it doesn't always work. How often would your office refer cases to the Office for Civil Rights?
We refer about 7 cases a month to the Office for Civil Rights.
7 cases?
7 cases a month, which is a pretty high agency use.
Now they're down to 0 with the new administration.
it really was alarming.
Bernadette Johnson remembers getting this stern letter from the feds as the former Minneapolis school superintendent a decade ago. Investigators found the district was suspending black kids significantly more often than white kids.
It meant to me that we're treating students differently, and it felt like it was unequitable, and it was like dehumanizing in some ways.
Johnson says the experience was a wake-up call for the district, and the discipline procedures that came out of it remain in place today.
Here's what the federal government coming in did. It created this sense of acknowledgement. Everybody knows what's going on in schools, but few people talk about it.
Now James worries she won't be the only one left waiting
All right, Judah.
for answers.
To infinity! And beyond! I feel like the families are also going to be affected because if we're not getting help, like, who are we going to turn to now?
So where else can families turn? Experts I've talked to say you can also try the State Department of Education, but a spokesperson tells me they only handle special education disputes. They don't have jurisdiction over general civil rights complaints, Kevin.
So, Ryan, you said the Office of Civil Rights still exists, so what are they investigating?
Yeah, so right now that office is about half the size as it was, and several regional offices are now closed, including Chicago, which covered Minnesota. We know the U.S. Department of Justice is involved in some cases the administration has prioritized, like keeping boys out of girls' sports. But questions remain about the thousands of other complaints that are still out there. So we'll stay on this.
I had no idea there are that many complaints.
There are a lot every single year.
Okay, that's Ryan Race from 5 Investigates.
Thanks, Kevin.